Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I just decided that today I would do a video on my not everyday makeup, but just like my simple makeup. Just more on the natural side, not so much glammed up. And your thought of natural might be totally different than my opinion of natural. Just putting that out there. Alright guys, so this is just my everyday errand makeup. Not everyday, but I would just say like if it's my day off and I'm not feeling my full face, because I have to wear makeup 5 days a week, or actually 6 days a week. And so whenever I get the chance on like my day off to not wear makeup, I'm totally all about it. But today I actually have to go somewhere and I want to look somewhat decent. So first what I do is I clip off my hair just to get it out of my face so no makeup gets on it. And so we look a little crazy right now. Okay, so just like that. And then I'm gonna use my face cream. This is from Amazon actually. And it's really, really good. It's a really good moisturizer. And it's not a bad price at all, and you get a lot. And if y'all see me looking like up, it's because the mirror is behind me. So yeah, I actually use a lot because right now in the winter time, my face is very, very dry. So that's good and moisturized. And then the next thing, I'm gonna put on my primer. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with the LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. And I can't remember how much this was, but I got it at Ulta, and one of my favorite YouTubers recommended it, Casey Holmes, and I've liked it pretty okay. Like almost everything that she recommends, I'll go out and try if it's like in my price range. But yeah, it's been good. I don't know if I would repurchase it. I guess if I like had to have something cheap, like under $10, I would get it. But I don't know if I like love it enough to repurchase it. But it has lasted me a long time. So that is one benefit. So I mainly focus it in my T-zone, right through here, and then on my chin. And so the foundation I'm using is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect. And as you can see, I've gone through this. It's a decent foundation for the price, for sure. It covers pretty decent. It is definitely buildable, so I like that about it. Because I'm about a full coverage girl. I want my skin to be flawless. So as you can see, it does a decent job at covering. So, but I'm gonna go in with Tarte Shape Tape. This is the best concealer for real. Like, lasts a long time. It works really well. You're definitely gonna want this in your makeup collection. I'm actually running low just because it's my favorite concealer. I use it every day I do my makeup, so. And then we're going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Lace. So I just tap a little bit out in the little lid thing. And then I'll use my Beauty Blender. And just set my under eyes, or just anywhere that I put concealer. Now I'm going to go in and do my brows. And then I have this little e.l.f. Eyebrow. Okay, brows are done, and I've been trying out this Gimme Brow by Benefit, so I want to put that on just to kind of intensify it. Alright, and now the next step is my bronzer, and I'm just using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is amazing. If you haven't tried it, you definitely should. Next step is contour. And I just have the Anastasia contour palette. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here. My brushes are from BH Cosmetics. I really love them. I got them at Kohl's, I believe. They were running a deal. I was like, yes please, I need new brushes. And then for blush, I'm going in with the NARS. It's called literally called Deep Throat. Tap off the excess. Give yourself a little fake smile. Blush, I tend to go in a little bit more heavy-handed because I feel like it never lasts. And then what I'm doing here is just going in and blending these two together a little bit better. We're gonna go in with mascara. And before I put on my mascara, I always curl them lashes. So this is just a little e.l.f. Eyelash curler. Gosh guys, I can't talk today, I'm sorry. I did see this thing, like a meme, where this girl's eyelashes literally broke off and she was missing half of them. I was like, oh, I didn't know that could happen. I knew that it could happen like if you're using it like after you put on mascara, but I didn't know it could happen before. That scares me. See, so I'm gonna use the voluminous Lash Paradise. It reminds me so much of the Better Than Sex. Like, I love it. It's so good. So yeah, we're gonna put these lashes on. Okay, so I gotta know, what is y'all's favorite mascara? It can be drugstore or high-end, whatever. I just want to know. I like trying new things. And also I want to know how many of y'all put mascara on your bottom lashes, because I do. And then for highlighter, I'm going to use the Champagne Campaign from Catrice. I got this at Ulta as well, and I have hit pan on this thing. Yeah, it's that good. It is that good. And so for lips, I am going to use, I'm doing bare minimum makeup, I'll go with just a nude lip. So this is Nude Pink by NYX. I'm just gonna go over that with Velvet Teddy. I really like how this lip color just makes everything look done. Alright guys, so this was my everyday, I don't know why I keep saying everyday. I think it's because everyone does like a everyday makeup. This is my makeup when I don't want to do full face glam with the outlined eyebrows, the cut crease, eyeshadow, all that. This is my I just need to get out the door and look presentable face. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.